It's gonna be a 3-lane road now. These niggas revving ain't shit. We're doing a rev off at the fucking gas station. YouTube, what is good with y'all, man? We are back with another video. God damn. But yeah, right now we finna go on a little cruise, man. I'm about to pull up to Christian crib real quick. As y'all can see, that boy in front of me. We finna go wipe the cars down and shit, cause there's a meet later that we're supposed to go to. So we just finna chill real quick, clean up the cars. My car is already clean. I don't got nothing in here, but I'm willing to wipe it down some more, you know what I'm saying? Could never be too clean. As y'all could see, man, we got them walkies outside. If you cruise around with your boys in a pack, it could be 2 of y'all, it could be 3 of y'all. Get some walkies, bro. It's way better than being on the phone all the time. You could just click a button like, yo, fish nigga. Watch this.
Yeah.
You taking the highway or you going on the back road?
Probably the back road.
Fuck it, I'm gonna take the highway, bro. I want some highway action, boy.
Fuck me on the highway then.
Yeah, just some cruise, nigga.
That's what I like to hear.
Look at that boy, chat. Oh my God. Let me pull up behind that boy. Yes, sir. It's a lovely day out right now. It's like 60 degrees out. It ain't been in the 60s in a minute. Oh, niggas on that time in the day already? Yeah, man, we finna catch the highway right now. Get busy. I just know this nigga finna cut somebody off. Make way for my boy, man. Little highway action for y'all boys, man. These motherfuckers trying to cut us off. Why niggas trying to cut us off, bro?
You said what?
That nigga is trying to cut you off.
That truck?
Yeah.
He's a bitch.
it's gonna be a 3-lane road now. Yo.
Nigga, slow down your lip.
What you saying?
I said slow down your lip.
My lip?
Your front lip flapping.
I just gotta tighten it, bro.
Shit, if there's anything left.
Nah, word, that shit probably fucked. I could feel it rubbing right now.
What?
I can see that shit under the back of your car.
I def gotta pull over and check this shit, chat. That motherfucker flapping. Yo, nah, it's not. Well, it is. Yo. Nah, I think you could pull this part off though. Like right here. And then the side stays. But I have screws in them. I feel like I could pop it out though. But I would probably pop this part off. That's another fucking lip, chat. Yo. Cheap at eBay lip, man. I gotta get another one though. It lasted longer than I expected though. Another day, another lip.
At least that one was only 40.
Nah, I keep telling you, nigga, this the low life. You gonna go low and you gonna be buying lips.
Your style was fine though. Super reinforce it.
Yeah.
Put all the extra screws in it.
I was missing the 2 screws right here. Look, you see the screw right here?
Yeah.
I was missing them right here.
Oh, so that's why they just.
So they were in there, but I put them in down. Bombo clat, Miji. Yeah, that shit tough. It look comfy too, ain't it? You see how the suspension just, that's fire.
That this nigga hit that one overpass coming down Route 1. That's just that.
Yeah, facts.
Oh, the one that got the bump on it?
Nah, I keep telling them, bro, it's not even that. I'm low as shit. So anything I hit like going down, it doesn't matter. It's just gonna break.
Yeah, because your suspension releases all that pressure. As soon as you hit a bump like that, that bitch drop to the ground. I don't know how many times I hit that bump and I could hear my car go.
Yeah, that's.
Suspension bottoms out.
Yeah.
Oh my God, man. Just for now, I'm gonna take this shit off soon. Cause shit, at least it still got something like. So imagine if I had a fucking V-style lip right now, it'll probably crack.
Nigga, you shattered it. Sick.
It would've probably cracked. It'll, like, rocks will chip it. For real, I still gotta, like, take this John out. Don't rev it, boy. Don't do it. Like headlights?
Yeah.
So you can
headlights.
see, because I like these. But it would look crazy on my caddy. I don't know if I could. What's up?
What's up, man?
William.
Jordan.
Old uncle and shit.
Nice.
Doing good?
Yes, sir.
Oh, chill, man.
You probably won't ever break a lip in there, gang. You probably won't ever break a lip. That's sitting high, even though you got it lower too. It's still sitting high. Yes, sir. Oh my God, Maji. Stop ramping with him. Don't rev it, nigga. Don't rev it. This nigga trying. Look at it, man. Everybody doing some shit.
I get right, man.
Got to.
Gotta get right.
That boy washing that motherfucker down. Here's MG. Huh? Look where my mic limiter at. That's insane. Oh my God. Don't run, put him in a whole lot of 58s outside. Stop playing. You see the name, nigga. This like a wash day for the whole gang. We ain't buying no more lips, chat. Look at that shit. Shit pissed me off. Fish boy. That black hit though. It's insane though. Look at the lineup. 58 boys, nigga. Look at this nigga. Shirt off, tats out, washing the car like it's summertime. Niggas outside like it's summer. Summer gonna be lit, bro. Summer gonna be lit. I thought you were going straight. I was trying to I was about to go straight. Oh my God. Yo, push up, push up, push up. Go in front of me. Good shit. If y'all boys new to the channel, man, drop a like, comment, subscribe. We're on the way to 2K subs right now. This nigga's revving and shit. We're doing a rev off at the fucking gas station. These niggas finna go get some food right now, I think. Ooh. Yo. Oh my God, check. Oh, ain't no way. He's wildin'. He is wildin'. So chat. Right now we finna pull up to the crib, man. You feel me? We finna pull up to the crib, man. I am still going to the meet, but I'm about to go home, eat some food real quick, and then we finna pop out, man. Yes, sir. You just be doing this shit out here, bro?
Yeah, just
be careful, bro.
you too, bro.
Safety, my nigga. Hey, bro, stay safe. Feel me? Let me see that. Oh, shit.